How to contact Booking.com customer care. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get contacted with Booking.com customer support. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser and at the top search bar type in Booking.com. You can also get logged into your account using an app, but for today's video, let's get logged in through our web browser. Once you have logged into your account, just tap on 3-bar icon on your top right, and under Help and Support, tap on Contact Customer Service. It will land onto this page. Now under here, just tap on Get Help with the Booking. Select the category that you need help with. Now scroll below and at this page, tap on Message Customer Service. Now at this page, simply type in your message or your problem. Make sure that your email address is correct. Once done, tap on to send. And now all you have to do is wait for them to contact you back. And that is how you can solve your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.